Hey guys, real quick before the video start, this is Tara. I just wanted to say that me and Mini Droid understand that it might be a little hard to hear. This is the final part. I believe in the fourth part, we do fix the audio, so hopefully you'll be able to hear us a lot better. Mini Droid also has the footage and is editing it over on his channel on YouTube, so go ahead and go check that out. Other than that, I hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, like and subscribe and all that good stuff. Again, head over to Mini Droids to see what he's done with his editing, and I will catch you guys in the next part. Goodbye. Yes, welcome back to me slowly losing my sanity. Nah.
Nah,
Oh.
I do like this though. This is really cool. So that you can set, like as it's loading, you can see the mask decaying.
Wow, you were underwater for a really long time.
Quite some time there.
But I'm Tara, and I'm here with
Mini Droid.
Mini Droid. I'm gonna change it every time. Like, you're gonna say Mini Droid, and I'm gonna be like Tiny. Then you're gonna be like Mini Droid, and I'm gonna be like
Microscopic.
oh wow, crazy. A new lantern. Oh,
You're still first.
oh, mine still works.
Break that box.
I had to remember what button. Whoa! Hey!
So you did
Calm
put it on-
down.
You did put it on survival, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's why you're not finding as much stuff. That makes more sense.
Can I switch?
Can I switch difficulty, please?
Can I go back? I didn't think that, the second. I thought, like, the hardest difficulty would be the one to be like, here's one bullet. Well, yeah, I figured that, but I figured that one would be like here's one bullet, here's like 3 bullets.
Yeah, that's what it's doing right now.
Yeah, I didn't know that's what that would do it on the norm. Like, this is the mode that they intended you to play on,
So I actually finished the game. I said it first.
And I've never played.
I've played the game and I finished it. I am currently
Why?
with the game right now. I haven't really posted recently. Been dealing with a lot of stuff recently. So
I want to know why the door opened by itself.
this is
Shit.
Yeah, but that no.
He says that a lot too, just so you know. It's always shit.
Oh well. Where?
But what was I saying? Oh yeah. So in the game right now, I think I have it first. Because I think I don't know why I did
You
it.
like a challenge?
Yeah, because I've played the game so many times, so like, okay, I can do it. It's easy. So I wouldn't do myself.
No.
No. There is stuff. You do actually find a shotgun in this.
House.
Not in this house.
First level. What's this? Oh,
Okay, so you're about to walk into the most annoying thing in the world. So duck, and go over there, hit A, and then you gotta stop it on board. Or that'll happen. Alright, moving on. You see that?
I thought I pressed A at the right time, but it looked like it just kept going.
Oh my god, that's good.
You have to stop it on blue. Red. Eh.
Oh my god, I love that so much.
Oh, you duck.
Because I kept telling you to duck because it was going beep, 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 beep. Let me show you how to really do it, friend.
Go ahead. Do it. That was so. If you see, you pressed A, then it kept going a little bit. Like, I'm not crazy, right? Press Y.
Yeah, you can holster your gun too. So if you hit B,
You can holster and unholster.
if you hit B, you holster it. If you hit the aim button, it pulls it back out. Makes like
It would have been funny. Let me show you how to do it. Is there no escaping it? Like, you like run away and like not die? Well, I mean, like after you mess up.
Oh no, there's no game.
Goodbye.
Yeah, basically. You don't. If you have enough health, you don't die. Like I'm about to heal you.
I don't have.
Need it. Especially. Oh, this is also the one where you fight chainsaw, dude.
Oh no, there's a hatchet. Well, why not pick it up? Can you throw it at people?
Throw it. I want to see if this is the house first.
If this is what chainsaw dude spawns.
No, chainsaw dude's in the park. Okay, so
I can just take a nap. Well, I want him. Go pick him up. Thank you.
I want him. Okay, so I was right. It's not in this house.
I heard someone yelling.
That's the doctor.
Who's there? No, don't shoot.
It's the boogeyman.
No, don't
I'm a
shoot.
doctor, Marcelo Jimenez.
You were in the ambulance before it crashed, right?
Yes, we're lucky to be alive.
Have you seen anyone else?
My patient Leslie. I saw him running up ahead, but
That guy.
But
That's
Come this way.
That's what his player model looks like.
quietly, mind you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Go the other way.
I'm out of here. Goodbye.
Quietly, mind you.
I don't know why I keep looking at it. I'm looking at that screen because I'm like seated this way.
I mean, whichever one works. You gotta remember, it's on 3 different screens. This is on
Yeah.
that, on that, and on that. I heard the beep, and do you understand the amount of anxiety?
Look, you didn't die.
Yeah, but you
But
might as
luckily-
well because I have no health. Oh,
Well, luckily, there's another one. There's a syringe in his cell now.
I hope so.
Do you want me to
she's
mean,
gone.
Do we need it, honestly? Oh, I can do this.
It's short, of course. Why do you always get the short paragraphs?
Journal of 2004, first day as a detective. Mine. I just want to say, like, who writes this stuff down in it? Like, who uses a journal like this? You know what I mean? Like, I feel like the way they like talk about it, it's more like a high school,
Teenage girl.
yeah, than it is of like
Dear Diary.
exactly like my new partner. You know, like my new partner. Myra Hansen is a real firecracker. Tenacious. Oh, I was doing the
Oh,
pause
sorry,
for the special effect.
Sorry.
And no nonsense. My kind of woman, but I've got to watch it around her. She almost caught me checking out her today.
Funny enough, if you guys ever played the second one, Myra Hansen becomes Sebastian's wife.
Ah. Fun. Go ahead.
Yep. Crazy.
Now I do that. I do the dramatic pause. She is.
Yeah, I think which is crazy. And then
My head.
other times I played it through. That's some newspapers.
Oh boy. Want me to do it or you want it? You want a short one for once?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Serial killings continue. Police baffled by cause of death. How can there be zero trace of the killer? More bodies found near Elk River community. Residents feel trapped in their homes. What?
Nothing.
What were you trying to read?
There was something like. No. Per se? Like, can you like? Yeah, it's right there. Getting away with. Getting away with shit.
That's literally all it said. Alright, let's continue.
La Cateno.
I'm gonna try and find you something.
Oh!
This is not a typical way of playing it, but I've played it enough times where I can go through this without dying. much, so I don't want to do that to you.
Oh, must be nice.
You know?
I got murdered. Look, to be fair, I only died once because I thought the locker was a door and I thought the lockers were, you know, something else, you know? And I also didn't know he was coming up behind me. I thought he was going to break down the door in front of me.
This wine tastes like.
Alright, so where are we?
So we are in the
Goo!
spring goo. Okay, so we gotta go out.
That's matches.
We gotta roll 4 matches right now. 5 is the max capacity.
That's dumb.
Yeah, I know. It's crazy.
Can you jump out an unbroken window?
And we jump out of If I remember correctly, the house is.
You burned them.
You just gotta have to talk about that.
Moving on! Wait, what was that? Turn around. Looks like a guy out there by me. Look through the bars. Through the bars. Through the bars. Through the spikes that almost impaled you. Oh, that like tire. I thought it was a guy doing this.
No.
Woo! Oh. Grab the hatchet.
This is the first.
We already been here.
So.
Oh. Yeah, wait, so it brought us back a little bit.
So we went through. So now we gotta use the crank and crank. That.
That's. I tried.
I saw it. I was like. My bad.
I definitely tried to warn you. I was just a little late on it, that's all.
Crank.
Okay.
Crank. Crank. No.
Where? What?
Have a look
Oh!
for yourself. Those things chased me all the way into the village.
I was
Me
so...
too.
Don't care that they chase you
They're all
into
over the
village.
place.
So is that hatchet like a new main weapon? For
I
like
see
melee?
them through that gate.
See,
Good Lord.
There are too many to shoot our way through.
One of us could try to lure them away while the other gets the gate open. You're the one with the gun.
enough, it'll break.
If you say so.
Crank. Crank that shiz.
Blood door.
Aha.
They should have killed you.
They should
They
have.
impaled... Wait, that's all ammo. Right there. Oh, no, never mind. It looked like it was glowing. I just, it's a special.
Special.
Yeah. There was a box behind you, I think, or it was a suitcase.
Over here! Here!
Shut. Oh, it was a bed.
Hey! Over here!
What's he doing?
That's right, this way!
Why?
That old guy's gonna get himself killed.
Oh, I thought that was the old guy. Oh, nice. Just burn the body. Can you burn the body with the torch? Do you have a pistol? You got it.
What did it drop? Hearts. Oh, it dropped a grenade. It dropped a grenade.
Where's the hatchet? With one hit? That. No. He dropped nothing? That's.
Now we can collect these matches.
Yay! Alright. Let's get out of here. No,
More
it's.
explodies. Here is the messed up part.
Yeah.
We only have 5 bullets,
Yeah.
and we gotta find more ammo.
Well, burn those bodies.
Here. Well, that didn't do diddly squat.
Finally. Brain goop.
Make a couple of those. Good. That's what you need. Did I ask for you to come down here?
Very effective. There's brain goop on the table.
I am aware.
There was a lever on there? What's that? No, behind you.
Yeah, the spikes.
Oh.
Hi. Oh, not run up the stairs, you moron.
Well, you can beat that one. Stick. The thing we want to save the explosive, right? Downstairs. Nice. We're gonna need that ammo though. No, I'm saying like we're gonna need to save the ammo.
Syringe! Ammo! Bullets! Nice!
Alright. See.
Only one play this game?
I mean,
Say another word, I swear.
burn. It might have.
Burn.
Oh, at least one match you can do two.
Oh yeah, very close to
Really?
Brain goop.
This game don't like us.
Shotgun
I
ammo!
take it back.
I take it back.
I'm sorry, game. I won't ever question you again. Oh,
This is very good.
well, I can go.
So remember that snipper?
Yeah.
Effectiveness.
Kill two with more.
I'm not prepared.
How about you?
What the f-
Alright, just go start the fight.
I'm trying. Yeah, still.
Bro. Nothing. Go ahead and craft that other bolt. We're gonna need it.
How are you telling me to do this?
Alright, let's get it. How do we get to him?
Oh, it should be fun like this.
Is not like a a bear. Ooh, and a chest. And two boxes behind it.
Oh, I forgot about that.
What? What was that?
My death. Oh, look. Something we needed.
Syringe.
Dopey.
Yeah, I think that did it.
You think?
Nothing. Oh! That is so unfortunate. X. Oh, X switches.
Gotta take this guy down fast.
No way. Oh, it's slow mos. Please tell me I don't have to go through all that again. No?
What?
That's all the people.
Hit the down button. Down arrow button. Try to do that. Whatever you do,
You don't do it.
you did it.
Hey. So how do I slowly open it? I was literally pressed straight to disarm it, but okay.
So when you open it, you gotta duck down, like real quick. There is a way to do. I know there's a trying to show you.
All right.
What, you got a pistol?
I mean, why not this?
Just pull out the pistol. Because it's gonna be a waste of time. That's not it. You could do better than this, I believe.
What am I hitting? I don't know why. Like the reticle is on it.
Here again?
Yeah. I got it.
How potato would it control it?
Oh! Here, you hold that. Here, hold that.
Gotta take this guy
Sir.
down.
Now, how do I reload? Out my way. Out my way. Please. Yay. What is that? Oh. Okay. Have fun. I got the brain goop.
This.
Try fire.
Like fire with corpse. Okay, so you gotta find the gate. Which you happen to be in front of. Like crazy, you ran right to the gate.
I don't want to be here. Alright.
I know it's fun. What?
Why? But why?
Wait!
Wait for
Over
me.
here! Wait!
I forgot about
officer, you must take me with you.
Detective
Listen here,
Castellanos.
Leslie should be just ahead. It is imperative that we find him.
Let's just be it. End of chapter. End of chapter. Let's go. Alright. It's been fun, but I need to get up and stretch because I'm dying here. It's definitely fun. Honestly, the scariest thing so far is that nurse lady. She keep popping out of nowhere.
You keep popping up and you keep jumping.
I'm just not ready for it. She's just, hello. Like, oh my gosh.
See, go away.
Oh.